Hi, fellow trainers. Beth Brashear here with Langevin Learning Services for your tip of the day. Do you do table changes in your workshops? Do you need a new way to do table changes other than just asking people to change their tables or rearranging your learners' stuff yourself? Well, I've got two ways that I like to rearrange my learners to be able to do table changes. One way, when I just need to do generic table change, is I will use playing cards and separate learners by the categories. So spades, clubs, hearts, and diamonds. Or I can also do by numbers and the, jacks, queens, kings, and aces. But I like to do either one of those. Now, if I needed to do something a little bit more strategic, let's say I had a difficult learner that I needed to break up, so two learners that were talking amongst themselves, so I wanted to make sure that they went to separate tables, I would use these dots, and then I would, at a break at lunchtime or the night before the next day, I would, in their tent cards, place the colored dots inside, and then when they had to do the table change, they would open up their tent cards to see what color dot they were, and then I would have certain tables labeled with the color that they need to be. And if I needed to have them be separated across the room, green would be at the front and red would be all the way in the back of the room. So those are two ways that I like to do table changes. So either using a deck of cards or using the colored dots and placing them on the tent cards. And that's my tip of the day.